Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Viki account. If you want to delete your Rakuten Viki account, then here is how you can do it. Open your Viki application on your mobile device, or you may also go visit Viki.com on a browser. Make sure to log into your account with your credentials, and once you're in the homepage, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now this will pop you open the settings interface where you need to scroll down until you see the delete account button under privacy. Tap on delete account and then you will be asked to visit viki.com/account settings. Simply you can also tap on that link over there and log into your Viki account with your credentials on a browser. Now once you are logged in on your browser, inside the accounts tab, you need to scroll down and click on delete account. Follow through the instructions. Go ahead and read the information given on this page. Remember that deleting your account is permanent and it cannot be reversed. All of your personal data will be erased. If you are a contributor and your account is deleted, your contributions will no longer be attributed to your username and will be anonymized. Go ahead and type in goodbye in the text box at the bottom and then click on the delete my account button. Right after you do that, you'll receive a confirmation email in around 30 days that your account has been permanently deleted. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Viki account. If you ever decide to return, you will need to create a new account from scratch. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.